Subalikhulu,
Mlungu wami,
how are you?
I'm good mlungu, how are you?
Good.
Yeah, it's been a long time ngakuboni.
Yeah, it's been a while, man.
Sigcina nefonini.
Yeah.
But I understand it's busy everywhere.
Eish, yeah,
Yeah,
umsebenzi.
left, right and center.
Yeah, le ndaba kana ntimatita no zirera naka scary is.
And ngiyabona abantu abaningi manje sebekhuluma ngayo. Yeah, people are talking about this thing. Because if you listen what uNandi said, if you listen what Nandi said and uhlala phansi uyicabangisisa lento, uzobona ukuthi what she said makes sense and kunomqondo. Yeah, understand? Because esikhathini samanje mlungu abantu besifazana abaningi sebefuna indoda isinayo yonke into esiphelele. Akunamuntu wesifazana osafuna ukuthi indoda ngifuna ukuthi okay, I see a man as a vision, okay ngizohlala naye ngimsupport ngenze inani until size sibe right. So you abasekho abantu abasifazana abanjalo. It's rare ukuthola umuntu wesifazana onjalo.
Okay.
So ungathola umuntu wesifazana onjalo good and well unomuntu right, but most yabantu abasifazane manje sebefuna umuntu right osenazi zonke izinto zakhe. So shout out to uNandi Madida mfethu, I listened what she said. Shout out to her. I respect her for what she said mfethu. Ucabangela amadoda. Uyabona ukuthi yes, guys are trying but kunzima. We up against the system. Ukuthi iyasicindezela singamadoda. Akusokuthi akunandoda engafuna ukusebenza. Ayikho indoda engafuna ukuvuka iyosebenza. Mfethu, ayikho indoda engafuna ukuvuka iyosebenza. Wonke umuntu ufuna ukusebenza, wonke umuntu ufuna ukuphumelela, wonke umuntu ufuna ukuba right, wonke umuntu ufuna ukuphila impilo right. But akukho lula. You understand? On top of this bese uzothola umuntu wesifazane ozoqindezela kuyo lencindezi ongaphansi kwayo. Wenze njani makunjalo?
Okay. So people are saying Nandi she's dating a millionaire.
Yes.
Zex Van Duyn.
Yes.
And apparently or allegedly Zex paid 1 million for ilobola.
Okay.
So people are saying she's talking from a point of privilege because uNandi is not dating a broke man.
Yeah.
She's dating a rich man.
Mm-hmm.
But she's talking on behalf of people who are dating broke men.
All right.
Do you think if Nandi was dating a broke man, she would talk like this?
Knowing uNandi, not personally so, but knowing her and looking at where she comes from. Lo sisi akaqala ngokuba mnandi manje. You understand? If you look back, uNandi la buya khona.
Apparently she grew up in the suburbs.
But impilo yakhe ibingafani. Ibingekho njengoba inje manje. You understand? But ngendlela akhuluma ngayo, abantu I think people do not understand ukuthi uNandi yes ujola nomuntu ogrand empilweni. And mongabheka ukuhlangana kwabo. If you heard what she said, ukhulumile ukuthi yena no Zex bahlangana kanjani. Bekungama awards la bahlangana khona, right? So uNandi was the one who said to Zex ngiyawuthanda umculo wakho. Right? Ngiyawuthanda umculo wakho. uZex waphendula wathini? Wathi I love you. Uyabona? So indaba yaqala lapho. You understand mlungu? So if abantu abaningi bathathe lento esho Nandi bayibeka ngokuthi wena ukhuluma kanjena ngoba wena ujola nomuntu onemali zakhe, nomuntu onento zakhe, nomuntu onani. Okay, lokho ngiyakunderstand. But I think I mentality kaNandi, if uke wayithola indoda ayithandayo and that man was broke, ubeyazothandana nayo.
Okay.
Because what you look in a man akusi situation la kuyona at the moment. Ubheka ukuthi ivision yakhe ithini, ama dreams wakhe athini, umuntu ofuna ukuyapha empilweni, umuntu ongakha ikusasa naye na.
Even the way she treats herself, the way she dresses, everything, she doesn't show off. She's so simple.
If you don't know uNandi and uhlangana naye, you cannot tell ukuthi lo muntu uzwana noma ngeke. You cannot. Until hlale phansi nawe akutshela ukuthi mina ngumuntu so. You understand? So
and then you know Ranaga, what do you think about?
Yabona ngiyaxolisa ukukhuluma kanje mlungu ne, but ngicabanga ukuthi abanye abantu besifazana bekho right la emakhanda. You understand? Lo sisi lo unenkinga ekhanda. Ngizokusho lo sisi unenkinga. Lo sisi lo akana muntu wesilisa manje empilweni yakhe. Akashadile. Akashadile akana ndoda. So izinto ayikhulumayo uyikhulunyiswa ukuthi emadodeni asedlule kuona yena personally amhlukumezile amenza lezi zinto amenze zona. Yabo? So lokho kumenze wacabanga ngenye indlela ukuthi amadoda wonke ayefana. Yabona? Akunanto ezokwenziwa indoda eright, yena akeze ukulalela indoda, akeze ukutshelwa indoda, akeze ukuzwa ngendoda. Ulo hlobo lomuntu wesifazane onjalo, which is dangerous ngoba umuntu wesifazane onjalo une-influence ebhedayo ukuthi akhulume nabanye abantu besifazane, azame ukubafaka lo mqondo anawo ukuthi wani ungalaleli indoda, ungezwi ngendoda, ungathandani nendoda engenalutho, nje. You understand? Ngoba indlela akhuluma ngayo yamuza ukuthi lo muntu lona ukhulunyiswa ubuhlungu, akakhulunyiswa ukuthi ukhulunyiswa ubuhlungu. So lento eshiwo Nandi imthintile yena because akahambelani nayo.
Ngiyakuthola.
Yabo? uNandi ushadile unendoda, lo sisa ndoda. Ndoda.
So do you think Nandi wasn't gonna change even if she dated someone who doesn't have money?
Change how?
Like to behave like others. Like for example, you see right now she's advocating for women to stay loyal to men who are still trying to
to
make
build
it
their
up.
lives.
Yes. Do you think she was gonna
I think she was gonna still remain the same.
Okay.
Sister Alo, she's grounded.
Okay.
That sister, she's grounded, mlungwami. You understand? And uzubona ukuthi she's grounded. Look at the way she behaves. Look at the way she talks. Look at the way she respects people. Lo sisi lo uyaba respect abantu. Lo sisi uyaba respect abantu. I said it before.
You did.
Unandi, she has everything.
Yeah.
Okay, let's take Uputu Zexi and put him aside. Unandi has everything.
Yeah.
You understand? But you cannot see it ukuthi Unandi has it. Unless uhlala phansi naye then akutshela ukuthi mina nguNandi ngino 1 no 2 no 3 no 4 no 5. So I believe if kuye kwenzeka empilweni uNkulunkulu wamhlanganisa nendoda engena next, she was going to still remain the same. You understand? So bantu besifazane ngiyanicela ingane zakwethu, please, if you have this thing, use it. Because uzohlangana nomuntu wesilisa grand ngokwempilo but ongenayo leshandisi. Yabona? But because so uzwe ezinye izinto ezikhulunywa abanye abantu ukuthi ungathathi indoda engenamali, ungathandani nendoda engenamali, ungahlali nendoda engenamali nani. Uma ngabe singabantu besifazane asifuni into efanayo empilweni. You understand? So if umuntu uyamthanda, mthande mfethu. And uma ungabe uyalibona iphupho lakhe, uyayibona inqubekela phambili, uyambona ukuthi lo muntu uhluzile lana, unomqondo webusiness, kusasa lo muntu uzoba umuntu right. Hlala nalowo muntu mfethu, why not? Hlala nalowo muntu.
Abanye they are scared ukuthi some men when they are moneyed, they change. Like they change and then they go for slay queens. They go for new girls.
That's also true. It's something that we cannot run away from. Okay. It's something that we cannot run away from. It only comes down, boils down ekuthenini umuntu wesilisa yena ama intentions wakhe ngempela ayini. Because if umntana abantu uyafika kuwena, you have nothing but you have a vision. Ahlale nawe athi okay, I will stay with you and I will support you and I will be with you. Right? Nihlale ndawonye, niphushe izinto zakho zibe grand ezumjita. Ufinyelele la ufuna ufinyelela khona, right? So wena njengomuntu wesilisa, now you have to sit down and say lo muntu lona ngibuya phi na? Bafowethu naphila. Ngibuya phi naye lo muntu ngize ngifike la, lo muntu ngithole ngingenalutho. Uyangizwisisa? Uhlale nami ngingenalutho, ngaze ngaba right empilweni sengine 1 no 2 no 3 no 4 ngenxa yalo muntu wesifazane engenayo. So ucabanga kanjani? Ucabanga ukuthi ukuphuma ke manje usuyobona ilay queen, abantu abazofuna imali njengoba usune labo bantu laba abazukuthandela ukuthi they're not gonna love you for you.
For who you are.
Yes. They're gonna love you for what you have and what you can give them.
What you bring.
Yes, what you bring on the table. So if umuntu wesilisa kanjani mfethu ufuna ukugijimisa amantombazane ngoba usu
siyarekhoda la. Awari.
Abantu bomthetho, abantu bomthetho, sibetha abantu bomthetho. Sabantu bomthetho bala eduzane. yabo. So bafethu hayi kuyenzeka khona vele empilweni ukuthi kube nomjida ozokhula nomuntu wesifazane ethi mase right ebona ukuthi lo muntu wesifazane useless and what not akhohle ukuthi ubuyaphi nalo muntu wesifazane sininini sephuma ngale sehamba nabantu ilay queen sekudliwa yona le mali abayisebenze kanzima bobabili.
So now what about these women who don't want to work? They want to use their bodies to attract rich men.
Yeah,
because most women think the only way for them to escape this life is to get a rich man and settle down.
That's another story.
What do you think about
that's another?
Because I feel like a lot of women these days they just want to get a rich man.
Abafuna ukusebenza. They don't want to go through the process. Yeah, process is sebeyibeke esayidini. But ke at the end of the day, we cannot say anything or judge because if ungahlala phansi nalowo muntu wesifazane, okay, say uthengisa ngomzimba. Yabona? Uthengisa ngomzimba okwenza imali. Lo muntu wesifazane yena uyifunela abantu asebe right. Yabo empilweni abanezimali zabo. So if uhlala phansi nalo muntu wesifazane onjalo, uyabona? Akubekela istory. Ukuthi wendoda what I'm doing, I'm only doing it because of 1 no 2 no 3. Akusukuthi it's something that I wanted to do or it's something that I want to do.
Some of them do it for those reasons. They end up doing it forever. Now that's a problem because if usungenile kuyona then you get hooked. Awusakhona ukuphuma. Because you ubona ngathi it's easy man.
It's easy man, yabona. Mayisenjalo it becomes a problem. Uyabona? Awusayenzi ngoba usuyenzela isimo, usuyenza ngoba usuthanda ukuyenza. Usuthanda imali, kahle. Usuthanda imali because if ngempela uyenziswa isimo, okay, uzoyenza within a period of time ukuthi okay ngiyangena kulento for a year or 2 years. Yabona? Then ungena kwami kulento for a year or 2 years, ngifuna ukwenza icapital engaka. Then once I have that capital, I know ukuthi ngiyaphuma lana ngiyovula isitolo lesi ngifuna ukuzivula a business that I want to open.
They always say they want to open a business.
Mabesakala. Yes. Umuntu angena ayibone le mali ingena kanje. Abone ukuthi okay ukuya kulela business I have to wait for a month and ukuthi ngithole le mali kanjena. Abone ukuthi umuntu it's waste of time. Bese qhubeka nalento. Yabona? Bese kufika thina akabuthina sesithi hayi umuntu wesifazane ini wenza lento. Yabona? So kunzima. Kunzima mlungu at the end of the day. Izinto ezenza.
We said enough. Okay guys, I think this is the end of it. At least we said some few words. People will take and learn there and there. Yeah, because this internet these days there's so much advice. Everyone is giving. For example, Ranaga is on a big platform, Metro. You understand? Imagine the influence she has.
What are you teaching people?
So
the food.
Don't take every advice that you get out there. You must
take the ones that will work for you.
Yeah. But the thing is, people don't know which ones are the right advice, especially if they're coming from
umuntu one influence.
It's tough.
Hayi bafethu, so from me uDlamini Sibalukhulu Jamashad Komozidle khanga basolabili siyabonga. Ngicela ningilandele on Facebook it's welcome Dlamini, TikTok it's welcome Dlamini, Instagram welcome_Dlamini88. Danko.
Lili Sokonolo everywhere. Danko.
Siyabonga.